Today we are going to do use of echoes. Beta, echoes are used in sound ranging and echo depth sounding. Sound ranging and echo depth sounding means detection of obstacles. Sound ranging में detection of obstacles in air. Echo depth sounding means the method of detection of obstacle under water. And for both these processes, beta, we prefer ultrasonic waves. Ultrasonic waves are preferred. Over audible sound waves. Now beta, why these waves are preferred? First point is that they are very energetic. They are very energetic waves. Second point is they can travel straight way. They can travel up to long distance without any deviation. Then beta, third one is if narrow space will be there, they can pass through it. They can pass through the small space. And fourth one is they are not absorbed by the medium. And their speed will be same as that of audible sound waves. Then second thing, always remember beta, in air, like last lecture we did what distance should be there, minimum distance should be there between source of sound and the reflector. That depends upon the speed of sound. Speed of sound in air is different, speed of sound is different in water. So speed of sound depends upon the medium. Then for that beta, this one sound ranging, it is used by the bats, dolphins, fishermen. And for that, what is there? Sound waves are sent, and then if any obstacle will be there in the waves, like bats are there, they will emit the ultrasonic waves, and if no obstacle will be there, that waves will not come back. But if any obstacle will be there in the way of bat, these sound waves have to come back, and on detection of these waves, they will detect the obstacle and they will change their path. Then second one is beta echo depth sounding, and this is used in sonars. For echo depth sounding, we are using sonar. Suppose that beta any ship is there which is sailing in water. Then here any obstacle is there, like sunken ship is there or iceberg is there. Suppose that here any obstacle is there. Then what will happen beta? Here in the ship which is sailing on the sea, one will be transmitter, another one will be receiver. This transmitter's function is to send the ultrasonic waves. These waves will go, and suppose that this obstacle is not there, these waves will move ahead, they will not come back. But if any obstacle is there underwater, these waves will strike with that object and they have to come back and they will be received by the receiver. Then one timing device is there. Timing device is there. When the ultrasonic waves were sent, that time was recorded, and then and when they were received on the receiver, at that time also time will be recorded. And then time is there, v is there, so we can find out the value of distance. Means at what distance the obstacle is away from the ship, and ship can change its direction. Velocity of sound in water, that is 1400 meter per second. Time will be recorded by that timing device. And 2 is beta, we are knowing that is a numeral. When you will substitute the value, you will find the value of D. In the same way beta, it is used in medical field also. I think you have familiar with the word, you are familiar with the word ultrasonography, which is used to imaging the different body organs. If any deformity will be there, that will come in that ultrasonography. So please do it from your book also, and may God bless you.